Hey, what's up, guys? So today I'm in a Ford Ranger. It's like a '98, but I thought I'd show you how to take out these Ford radios. A lot of Fords have the exact same radio, or at least the same style, and they remove the same way. So it's not like a normal radio where they're screwed in and you just got to disassemble it. These actually require keys. They're special keys you buy, just like this. I don't know if you see, there's two holes to the right of the radio and then two holes on the left side. And so you put the tools in each side. What I usually do, you should go kind of slow. Don't like jam them in there, but you go kind of slow until you hear them click. You hear it kind of click in there. And then the same thing on this side. Just kind of slowly push them in and it'll click in. And then from there, you're going to pull them sideways, outwards, and then pull the radio back. So you push that way and you slide out. But what you've got are these little tabs that lock it in, and then when you push it sideways it bends that tab in to allow it to slide out. But you just gotta unplug it like normal and you're good to go.